Hey, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off offline mode on your Spotify account for mobile. Let's get started. Alright. The first thing you want to do is to open Spotify app on your mobile. Once you are in, click on the profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. In the menu, click on the Settings and Privacy option. Now, once you're in the settings, look for the playback section. It's typically in the audio or music settings. Here it is, playback. Tap on that. Now, you'll see an option for offline. Chances are it's turned on. We want to turn that off. Simply tap on it to toggle it off. And there you have it. That's how you turn off offline mode on Spotify for mobile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.